Hello guys, you're welcome back to our Academic Technology channel. Today I'm going to discuss with you how I was able to monetize my YouTube short even though my channel is still below 300 subscribers and I don't even have much viewers on my shorts, but I was able to pull this out and I said I must discuss this with my viewers, and today I am going to show you. Please, if this is your first time of watching our video, do well to subscribe to our channel, do well to give us a thumb up so that other people who will also be interested in this content can also like and subscribe to our channel. So let's get straight to the point because I am not here to waste your time. If you look at my shorts, I don't even get much view. I am a software engineer who also doubles up in selling laptops. I have an outlet in Onitsha, Anambra State, Nigeria, and Abuja, Federal Capital Territory, Nigeria. So one of these days, I noticed that anytime I post what I sell, that is laptop, I just make a laptop video and post on TikTok, the views are actually massive. So I decided, okay, I have these stocks, right? And now decided to make a short video, just 1 minute video of laptops that I just packed one place. Look at the video there, and I posted it on my YouTube shorts. Guys, I won't tell you what happened. You know that before you make money from YouTube, normal YouTube long is 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hour in the past 365 days. That is in the past 1 year. It's not like all the time that your channel has existed. And for YouTube shorts, you are going to require 10 million views. 10 million views, guys. And I don't know where I am going to get these views from. I don't know how I'm going to get these views. So from that particular video, I just posted it and I attached my WhatsApp number and my Facebook links. I just posted my normal stuff and I left there. In less than 24 hours, people have started reaching out to me on WhatsApp and on Facebook. People have started reaching out to me, telling me, giving me a screenshot of this video, how they saw me on YouTube and they noticed that I have a lot of laptops for sale. The walk-in customers who were able to walk in and bought laptops, the one that I sent one to PH, I sent one to Abakaliki, I sent one to Lagos. So look at this. I got at least 6 clients from this video, and let me tell you, some of these clients, if not all of them, will come back to give me referral. I've made at least 150,000 naira from that YouTube short. And I was very happy. I said this particular formula that I've just gotten, because you will see more of my laptops now on my YouTube short. This formula that I've just gotten, that I will share it with my viewers. So what am I saying? Instead of waiting for YouTube to monetize your channel or to monetize your video or to monetize your short, there are things that you are doing outside this content creation. There are things that you are doing. I expect you to start making a video of it. Start making a video of it. One minute. It will not take time. You're already a master of this craft. You already understand how to make this video. Just make a video of it once in a while and put it on YouTube. Make a video of it once in a while and put it on YouTube. You can never tell who is watching. Look at me now, how lucky I am. I have been able to get at least 6 clients from this YouTube shorts that you are looking at. People, the way they reached out to me, if you see me, I was very happy. I was very happy because when I was making that video, I was not expecting this thing. There are other ways that you are going to earn from YouTube, even apart from this that I just said. Before I started selling laptops, my first step was I will go to my friend who sells laptop, get picture and videos of those laptops and post those videos. When I post those videos and when I post those pictures, people will reach out to me that they want to buy. I will just tell them the price. I did not want to say it's affiliate marketing, because when you say affiliate marketing, people get scared. Yes, but in the real sense, it's affiliate marketing. I just get that picture and that video, put it on internet. When I put it on internet, what happens? People started reaching out to me. Hey, brother, you sell this, you sell that. I don't sell it in the real sense, but on internet, I am selling it. I will just tell them the price. When they pay, I pay the person who has the product. The person will deliver and I will just take the gain. That means that's also another way you can make money from your YouTube channel. So if you don't specifically have something that you are selling right now, approach people who sells. They are going to give you the product. Once in a while, put it on your video. Once in a while, put it on your video. People will reach out to you. Just make the sale, send the money to the real owners, and take your cut. Another way you can also make money from this YouTube channel is advertising for people. Like me, I talk about tech, and I remember, let me show you this email. I've gotten so many referral of people who want me to review their product. Those people pay for this product. Those people will pay me if I'm going to review that video. So that is also another way to make money. They pay me, I review their product. They pay me, I review their product. Or they pay me, I advertise their product, because reviewing their products on my channel is a way of doing adverts for them. So by the time you review this product for them, they are going to get so many sign up. Most of the time they will give you a referral to know people who signed up from your video. So anybody that sign up, I have modes. People that sign up from my referral, Moat is giving me more number of days to use their services. So instead of me to buy that services, they are giving it to me for free. So that's a way you can also make money from your YouTube channel. Don't wait until YouTube monetize you. That number is freaking long. You might get tired on the way and will not be able to continue. But if you have other means that you earn money from, if you have other means that YouTube, you get money from this YouTube, you will be able to continue. Before you know it, you will get these numbers. Please don't forget to subscribe to our Demic Technology channel. This is the raw truth. Like, I don't want to make this video long, and I want to tell you how exactly it works for me, and that is the only thing I just did. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to share this video, because I want your peers also to see what is working for us. Thank you for staying with us.